Hi guys, let's talk about the differences between above and over. Above and over can be used as adverbs or prepositions. Both of them express higher than, but there are some differences. As preposition, we use above when something is at a higher position, but it doesn't touch a person or an object. There is no contact between them. Example, I see a plane above the city. As preposition, over has a similar meaning but expresses that a higher object covers or even touches a lower object, so there is a contact between them. It is raining outside. Hold the umbrella over your head. It covers. As adverbs, above indicates only location and not movement, while over indicates both location and movement. I'm fascinated by the sky and the stars above. They climbed over the mountain. We use above or over when we talk about temperature. The temperature is above 35 degrees in summer, or over 35 degrees. Attention, when the temperature is zero, or the average, we use above, not over. It was 5 degrees above zero. Both mean more than something. This cartoon is for kids above or over 14 years old. With numbers, we usually use over, not above. I have got over 30 calls from that company. Not. Above also means higher in rank or position. Speak to the officer above, please. Not. We use above to refer to something mentioned earlier. The image above showed us all about this project. Not. We use over and not above to cover something. Put that scarf over your neck. It is very cold outside. We cannot say. We use over when we talk about something placed on the other side. The car over there is mine. We use over for periods of time or during something. I'll discuss with our son over dinner. When I was a kid, I was playing video games for over 3 hours a day. Not. We use over when something ended. My exams are over now. Remember, correct is 200 meters above sea level, so don't use over with the meaning of a higher level. And it is wrong 200 meters over sea level. We don't use above when one thing covers another. We use over. So correct is over the neck and not. We don't use above with numbers. Correct is over 150 people and not. We use above to indicate location, while over indicates both location and movement. So correct is above the city. It's wrong. over the city, and correct is a bird flew over the lake, and it's wrong to say a bird flew above the lake. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video lessons and give us a like.